Welcome back everyone. Today we're going to talk about something you might have noticed when installing or launching certain modern PC games. The requirement for TPM 2.0. So what exactly is TPM 2.0? And why are games starting to demand it? TPM, or Trusted Platform Module, is a small security chip built into most modern motherboards. Its job is to securely store encryption keys, protect your passwords, and make sure your operating system hasn't been tampered with during startup. In other words, it's like a digital security guard that checks your system before letting Windows fully boot up. Now you might be asking, okay, but what does this have to do with gaming? Well, here's the catch. Many game developers are fighting against cheating and hacks, especially at the kernel level. That's the deepest layer of your operating system where cheats can hide. By requiring TPM 2.0 and secure boot, games can ensure that the system hasn't been modified and that players aren't loading dangerous software in the background. One of the first big examples of this is Valorant, Riot's competitive shooter. It already requires both secure boot and TPM 2.0 to launch, making it much harder for cheaters to sneak in. And now, Call of Duty is following the same path. Starting with Call of Duty, Black Ops 6, players are being warned if they don't have TPM 2.0 and secure boot enabled. And with the upcoming Black Ops 7, those features will become mandatory to play on PC. This isn't just limited to shooters though. As time goes on, more competitive online games may adopt these requirements, especially titles that rely on fair play and ranked matchmaking. Another reason you'll see TPM mentioned is Windows 11 itself. Microsoft made TPM 2.0 a requirement for installing the OS. So if a game officially supports only Windows 11, by default you'll need TPM 2.0 as well. Now, should gamers be worried? Not really. Most modern PCs from the last 5 to 7 years already support TPM 2.0, even if it's just disabled in the BIOS. You might only need to enable it. The only people who may struggle are those with much older hardware. To sum it all up, TPM 2.0 isn't here to make your game run faster. It's here to make your system more secure and to help developers enforce stronger anti-cheat protection. Whether it's Valorant, Call of Duty, or future competitive games, this little chip is becoming part of the fight for a fairer and safer gaming experience. So next time you see that TPM 2.0 required message, you'll know it's not just some random Windows thing. It's your PC proving it can be trusted before jumping into battle. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments. Does your system already have TPM 2.0 enabled? Or did you run into problems with it?